Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And today, what I'm going to do, I just filmed this look, so it should be up and I will put it up in the cards. But yeah, I'm doing some St. Paddy's Day looks before St. Paddy's Day. This I could get away with at my particular job for day wear. I think St. Paddy's Day was actually, I think it falls on a Saturday this year. Correct me if I'm wrong. Or Friday, something. So I could get away with this if I actually woke up early enough to do my liner and do a wing. But you know, if you can't quite go, I mean, it's not bad to me, but it might be for some people depending on what you do. Definitely go for mattes instead of shimmers on the eyes, or even like just a subtle gold, and then do like a lip dark green matte in the outer corner. You don't have to do this tri-color thing. I do have like 3 colors on the lid. And I did go neutral for the crease, so the crease isn't like a lime green or anything. I did do a wing, so you don't have to do that unless you can and you like to on your particular thing. I do have 2 colored liners in my waterline. You don't have to. You can do one, or you can just do like the eyeshadow. And I went pretty neutral on my eyeshadow underline. I did like a brown and just like the darker green on the outer edge. Then I did mascara. And then I have a very neutral lip gloss and Anastasia and Kristen on. Very mauve, very neutral, very wearable. I have, you know, typical blush. I do have a kind of lining highlight. It was a gold one that I could find the quickest. It is the Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight. It's just blinding by nature. You barely dip in the thing and it's blinding. So, but anyway, this look, it shouldn't take me that long. I'm just going to amp it up just a little bit for, like, say you're leaving work, but you need, like, we might have time to go touch up just a little powder, a little concealer in places, maybe add just a couple of things, but you don't want to like go all out or go crazy like drawing on your face or something. This is what this look is going to be. And by the way, these were from Dollar Tree and they're uber cute. So anyway, looking at what I want to do, I want to amp up my crease a little. And I brought the Bright Lights palette, and this might be a total disaster, and I might need to like play it down, but I want to amp up that crease color a little bit. I'm going to take this bright green, and I might need to mix it with brown in a minute. I probably am. So I'm going to like take that lightly and just go. Oh, this is the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette in Bright Lights. It's $24.95, and the pigment is awesome. I'm just gonna like do that without like messing up my other crease work. I don't know if I'll fast forward this because I don't think it's going to take me very long. It might, but it might not. I do have some underneath my brow bone, but I'm going to. I thought I was going to do it, but I might not. Yeah, I'm going to take my Ofra highlight and actually amp that up. I'm trying to get the color off of this brush though. Like right under there. Like really make it pop, you know? All under there. Go into that lime green shade. And this is on top of a neutral brown that I already have under there from the Chocolate Gold palette, and I put a little green in the outer corner, like that was in my outer V. So really, I'm just amping up this look and taking it to the next level. For real. to try these. I haven't tried any other from Ricky's NYC. I don't typically wear lashes, but this is a way to really amp up your glam. Oh, it's a sponsor. Okay, this is like, let these dry for a second. Like, I'm a novice. I've applied these for Halloween like twice before, and that was it. Let's see how these go. Not so well. I had a pair of tweezers. Oh wow. They're adhered. Yeah, I needed to trim them. Maybe a pinch. Yeah, I think that's not just hanging off my eyelash. But they're not bad. It's just I'm not used to something being right there in the corner of my eye, so I can't stand it. And the other part of the lash is not bothering me. It's just like what's right by the corner of my eyeball. It dries pretty quickly though. They're on, slightly irritating my eyes, but they're on. I have really small eyes, so I need to like cut everything down, but we're gonna leave them for now. We're gonna, well, maybe not, because that one will pop back up. And these look very tame in comparison to like the pure ones. They're really not. And that eye is not happy right now. Need the stabby band. I don't know. So we're gonna take off this very wearable lip gloss that's very pigmented actually. And get done with the last part. This is the Wet n Wild from the Mermaid collection. This is in the shade Siren's Jewel. And we are done, and I need to do something about this. I think it's poking me in the eyeball, but this is my glammed up St. Patrick's Day look. So thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Toodles!